What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to recover your deleted photos and videos on your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. There are different ways of recovering deleted photos and videos on your iPhone or iPad, depending if the files have been recently deleted, permanently deleted, or if your photo album was ever synced with your iCloud on one of your devices. First of all, open up your Photos app and navigate to the Albums tab. Here, scroll all the way down and under Utilities, select Recently Deleted. You can then easily recover your selected photos and videos from this folder. You can, in addition, permanently delete your photos and videos if these files are not uploaded to your iCloud. In case your deleted photos and videos don't show up in this album, then you might have a backup saved in a cloud which has the photos and videos you accidentally deleted. Open up your device settings and tap on your Apple ID. Next, navigate to iCloud, Photos, and here you can preview if iCloud Photos and My Photo Stream is enabled or not. In case iCloud Photos is enabled, then your past photos and videos are uploaded and stored in your iCloud. You should be able to access these using an internet connection in your Photos app or when using another device which is logged in to your Apple ID. If My Photo Stream is enabled, then you can preview your last 30 days of new photos on any of your other devices which use My Photo Stream on the same Apple ID. In order to avoid photo and video loss on your iOS device in the future, it's suggested to back up your iPhone or iPad or use services like Google Photos in case your iCloud storage is already full. To back up your device, navigate back to your iCloud settings and tap on iCloud Backup. Enable this option. If you have enough storage on your iCloud, tap on Backup Now. This will copy your files and they will be stored in case you ever need to find deleted photos or videos again. If you need more storage, select Manage Storage. This shows you your storage plan and each application with the exact amount of storage used. When selecting one of the applications, you can manually delete the storage for each. Back in your iCloud settings, you also have the option to simply toggle some iOS features on or off to be synced with the iCloud. Depending on how you are using your device, some of these can take up a lot of storage, such as iMovie, Books, Keynote, or even Messages. Your backup will reduce in size when disabling some of these options, and you should then be able to back up your device. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.